Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Facebook Reels longer than 30 seconds. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So the Reels have actually launched their actual duration or official duration and they have increased it. So instead of 30 Reels, they have now until 1 minute. So let's head right here to our Reels. Click on this create Reel. And then you can actually choose in here a video that you want to actually add. So for example, for this one, let's try to add this 1 minute video. So let's click on it, and you can see it's right here. Click on next, and then as you can see, we should be able to post this right here without editing it right here. So it's actually a 1 minute video and we won't be able to edit it anymore right here, and we don't need to edit it because it's already accepted. Next thing you do is just share this reel. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try best to answer. Thanks.